crap. Okay, well, mine's starting. Let's just go.
Wait.
Okay. Come on. The battery's stuck. Okay, so we're gonna chug for a while, and then see who can burp the loudest, alright?
Okay.
Wait. How do we know when to stop?
We'll look at each other.
Chug for 10 seconds and then look at each other and we're both looking. Okay. Okay, ready? Wait, I'm gonna puke. Okay, go. Thank God we didn't do this in my room.
I'm crying. Okay, that was 2 seconds.
I swallowed it. It's all over my face. Oh my God, this is so gross.
No.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get some paper towel for my face. I didn't actually swallow anything.
Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I really liked my mascara today too.
Here, I got a box of tissues.
Here's an issue, haven't
Ew,
you?
I will never step on this floor again. Alright, let's continue. Spit on me and die, man.
I can't hold down the burp.
Wait, if I don't burp, it'll pop out somewhere else. Like through my belly button or something. Don't puke, it'll kill you.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know what's pop, what's lie, what's tears, and what's
You ready?
or spit.
Stop making me burp. I mean,
Stop making me laugh, I'm gonna burp. Oh no.
ready? I can't, damn it.
Shit.
What's green?
Good night.
I really can't burp. It's like the only time in my life I haven't been able to burp.
Ow, this is like the only time. Never mind.
Let me do it again. I got more.
Wait. One,
I'm gonna puke.
2, 3. I think I just threw up, except it wasn't throw up. It was pop. That was so cool. I drank pop and went down my throat, and then it came just back. And it just came back up, and nothing was there.
Ew.
It was really cool.
Ew!
I can't talk anymore.
I'm ready to turn this off. I'm afraid where to step. Alright. Oh. You pressed the wrong button. I didn't press the button. Oh.